If you are not getting consistent sales from your email list, you might be making some of the mistakes I'm about to show you in this video that might be holding you back. How do I know that? Well, it's because I did the same mistake and I've seen many others doing the same. So to understand the core of the problem, I'm gonna go over this email and show you some common but deadly mistakes that are killing your conversions. I will show you how to fix them and why fixing them will save you a ton of money. Now let's take a look at our email. This is an email that is sent to people if they download a lead magnet. So what's the goal or purpose of this lead magnet? Yes, the one and only goal of this email is to get the click and make people read the lead magnet. But this email is written in such a way that isn't really helping to achieve that goal to the best of its ability. Because if you think about how most people behave, they will get the email, but it's not necessary that they will read the email or a lead magnet unless you make it more persuasive and increase the perceived value of your lead magnet. So how do you make them read the email? So they click on the lead magnet, open it, read it, and inspired to buy something. Well, if you look at the email on the screen, it might look well written at first, but if you scan it through your copywriting eyes, you'll see it's not good for higher conversion because of two reasons. Number one, it's not following the rule of one. The rule of one is one reader, one big idea, one promise or a story, one offer, and one call to action. So number two is it's not really enticing me to click on the lead magnet and read it instantly. There is only one bullet point about the ebook, which is not that much enticing. You might be thinking, why does it actually matter? I'll have more chance nurturing the audience. I'll have more chance to turning those cold audience into warm. But the real truth is you don't. If you look at the data, 95% of the time, your first email will get open, but the second email rate is dropped to 70 or 80%. So it's crucial for you to get the best out of your first email, especially when it's an autoresponder or a lead magnet email. So what is a lead magnet? Dan Kennedy says that a lead magnet is basically a sales letter. A sales letter that helps convince your prospect, okay, you have this giant problem. If you read this lead magnet, it will solve a small part of this problem. If you want to solve more of your problem, I have this product that you can check it out. So it's basically a way to push for sales without being pushy. By the way, I made a whole video about how to create a lead magnet that help grow your business in size and revenue. You can check it out here. So how do you actually write this email that will make people click and also enticing them to read the lead magnet instantly? Well, first of all, follow the rule of one. It's really hard to miss the mark if you follow the rule of one. I'll make more video about this in the future. But for this email, focus only on the lead magnet. Write teaser bullet point what is inside the ebook. Basically make people curious or tease them, hey, this is inside my ebook. If you get them, you'll be able to read it. Let's pretend that I have a free lead magnet that says that how to maximize your profit with your email list, and when you subscribe to my email list, you'll get the lead magnet. But unless I entice you and increase the perceived value of the lead magnet, you might not read it, and that's where teaser bullet come into play. And the way to write teaser bullet is to look inside your lead magnet, then pick up the most useful thing and make them into curiosity driven teaser bullets, as you can see on the screen. Hope this helped. I wanted to make this as simple as possible because obvious and simple works better than complicated writing. Remember, this is not the only way to write this type of email, but this is one of the simplest, easiest, and most effective way to write it. So if you want to learn more about how to create a lead magnet that help you grow your list and attracts buyer to your email list, you can check out the video here.